Ready?
Yep.
My name is Cam from Sorority Noise. The name of the song is Still Shrill, and this is from my parents' basement sessions.
Yeah.
I thought I'd grow out my hair, see if you notice, and I'd start dressing nice to make you believe that I'm alright, and I'd start playing sports to feel more like my brother, and my dad might be proud for once in his life. Or maybe I'll drink myself to sleep, 'cause that's what I'm used to. And when I wake up I'll feel brand new. I'll start tanning my skin to feel more like my mother, 'cause I am the ghost inside small clothes, and I guess I could use some color. Maybe I'll smile to feel like my ex-girlfriends, and they can feel love, but I can't feel anything. So I thought I'd write you this song so you could get noticed. You could sing it along with your friends in the back of the Mercedes-Benz, and me and my Volvo will be fine. Maybe I'll close my eyes to feel more like myself. And maybe I'll close my eyes to feel more like myself. And maybe I'll close my eyes to feel more like myself.
Yeah.